Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So if you're a person who is doing your ME MTech or BE BTech or MSc or MCA, and if you are willing to do your project work in any branches of ISRO, then there is an opening for you. Okay, so we are going to see all details regarding this update. Okay, so the National Remote Sensing Center, that is NRSC, of Department of Space of Government of India is offering or providing an opportunity for students to carry out the project, that is final year project work uh, for PG and UG courses, that is for ME MTech and BE BTech, and also for MSc and MCA candidates. Okay, so this update is actually for final year students who are willing to carry out their final year project work, and also for ME MTech the thesis work in the branch of ISRO, that is NRSC branch of ISRO. Okay, and the minimum qualification is you should be having 70% of mark. Okay, so the screening will be actually based on your mark only. So the initial screening will be happening through your mark, and you should be having minimum 70% of mark. Okay, right from the schooling till the present course, that is till the present to which semester result is out, till that semester if you have 70% of mark, then you are eligible to apply. Now talking about the duration of the project work, it will be for 3 to 12 months, minimum 3 months to 12 months. Okay, and also they have included that preference will be given for students who are willing to do the project for longer duration. Okay, so if you are willing to do longer duration, then you will be getting preference. Okay, next let us see the application procedure for this project work, that is for this update. So what you have to do is, for doing the project work, the students can apply through this mail ID, that is student@nrsc.gov.in. This is the mail ID to which you have to send the mail. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to provide a mail, that is you have to send a mail to this mail ID, and also you, along with the mail ID, you have to attach these documents. Okay, and the documents are, there should be a request letter from the head of the department or principal or placement officer of the college, also mentioning about the duration of project, the starting and ending date of the project. Okay, so if you are willing to do a project work, means the starting date, the ending date, and the duration of the project should be mentioned in that request letter. So the letter of recommendation should be addressed to the in charge training, education and outreach group of NRSC. So this recommendation letter, which is provided by the head of the department of or principal or placement officer, should be to the in charge training of this NRSC. Okay, that is education and outreach group of NRSC. And also along with this, you should attach your CV or biodata or resume, and also the copies of the mark sheets and copies of latest mark sheet of current completing year. Okay, so these things you should attach along with your mail. So you have to just send a mail, and this mail should have these documents attached. Okay, now talking about the selection and joining for this project work. Next is about the selection and joining of the students for doing this project work. So the selection will be probably through the your merit basis only. They have not mentioned any interview or any other procedures of selection. And once you're getting selected, you will get a mail from their side regarding the selection. And another important thing they have mentioned here is, due to this COVID situation, the project you will be doing from your home itself. So you don't have to travel to the NRC location or anything. You will be doing, or you will be conducting the project work from your home itself, and the guidance will be provided by the guide of NRSC. Okay, so in this paragraph, they have mentioned the details of conducting this project. Okay, so the project will be through online virtual mode only, and the guidance will be provided by the guide of NRSC, and the project confirmation letter along with the details of the project will be sent after you're getting selected. So once you're getting selected, you will get a project confirmation letter from the NRSC, and also you will be getting the guidance also for doing this project. Okay, so that's all about the project update, or this update from NRSC. This actually for hiring students to complete their final year project work and thesis work. So if you are a person who is doing ME MTech or BE BTech or BSc or MCA, then you are eligible to apply. Okay. So if you are willing to do your project work in NRSE location, so that's all about the update from NRSE of ISRO branch. So that's all about the update from NRSE branch of ISRO. So if you are willing to do your project work or thesis work in NRSE, please to apply for it. There is no fees for applying, and also you don't have to travel to do your project. You can do it from your home itself. Okay. So if you are interested in doing your project work, then please to apply for it. The application procedure and everything we have seen in this video. So if you found this video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.